Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Abu Abira and I am online Quran teacher. We are back with another video related to Madani Qaida series. In previous lesson, we was explain some of Lisani Makhraj like Qaf and Kaf. In this video, I am going to explain the second type of Lisani Makhraj. If you don't know what is Lisani Makhraj, you have to watch this video and you will understand actually what is Lisani Makhraj. So second type of Lisani Makhraj, there are three letters which are pronounced from Lisani Makhraj. They are Jeem, Sheen and Ya. Jeem, Sheen and Ya. These three letters pronounced from second type of Lisani Makhraj. What is second type of Lisani Makhraj? And the answer is pronounced from middle part of your tongue, touching the middle part of your plate. So Jeem, Sheen and Ya. Touch middle part of your tongue to the middle part of the plate. Middle part of your tongue, middle part of your plate. And try to say Jeem, Jeem, Jeem and Sheen, Sheen, Sheen and Ya, Ya, Ya. These three letters pronounced from the Lisani Makhraj, and Lisani Makhraj is pronounced from middle part of your tongue, touch the middle part of the plate. I hope you understand Jeem Sheen Yaa's Makhraj. So we will continue in the next video. Stay connected with us and Jazakallah Khair.